and welcome. I want to play a game.
Mind-blowing verbal conflicts of time. Light Yagami versus Jigsaw.
I want to play a game. Try to last through a single episode of your anime. Call me James H. Ace. I will make this deal count. I've seen a better horror movie out of Get Out. To a mind, all sexualities are worth the same, but I'll still hit you with the reverse name trap. I'm a gay. I get cheeky with it, as you saw when I'm blowing like a water box. I'm sorry, but game over. You took the L and lost it.
Looks like you should take death notes on my verse. Even my kills as Kira don't compare to the people you've John murdered. Oh, and maybe your director, but both know who here is James 1. In this rap battle, you will die. Call you Gideon. Haha, I may be light, but I'm dark when I'm spitting a rhyme. I can't see a good movie from you, even with my Shimigami eyes. I'm chilling with my girlfriend Misa. All you have is Amanda Young. It's ironic you got cancer when you're truly the cancerous one.
Enough talk, taking justice into your own hands is wrong. Keep talking, and I'll cut you with my song. The big sword franchise, and I'll never know the great. You want to like Ryuk, because they will never be seen. Because spiral into menaces, this gets hard. Really hard with the enemy that's better than you. You'll make it out in one piece.
Why Shimigami eyes to see your name is John Kramer? I can kill you by writing your name onto some toilet paper. I'll give you 40 seconds, but I need to go places. So I write down you'll get suffered for treating killing as a game.
Killing game? Did somebody say killing game? It's Headmaster Monokuma schooling you like entrance exams, trying to be a popular manga, but no one gives a damn. You think you're near a win, but you'll get killed like the warehouse. I'm spitting truth bullets like the ones I shot you. Ouch. My students could solve Kira's identity in 2 minutes. I'm the best black and white rapper since Logic. No Freddy Fazz is here because I can't bear your Funkos. Toss you in the garbage cause your rhymes are just junk. Oh!
I'd rather get an Enimashima than listen to your voice. Tell your victims to live or die, but it's clear they never had a choice. You died when you blew up, unlike your fame on the internet. Meanwhile, I got more bars than the one from your prison cell. Ryuk?
I wanted apples, not this annoying orange-sounding guy. When I'm calling for
Your
kids.
pedophilia is a crime. You're more fictional than your raps, so say so long, farewell. You got crushed cause your raps are like your awful US port L's.
Crushed? Tough luck, sucker. Huh? Ah, shit. Ah!
Port L's. Portal. I'm really glad that you came here for a fight. When I use my neurotoxin, I will make you see the light. You never had a companion because you're just such a cute. So crack you like a shell, like Shinigami eyes to live a hat like dude. It's not right the way you're abusing your girlfriend. You'll be in a cape like Johnson when I shoot you with my turrets. Will I have a death? No, because I'm spitting like it's Rapperture. Arresting you like the cops, it's time for a massacre.
I'm in this battle faster than your battle with Jigsaw. You're even more robotic than that movie RoboCop.
Why would you write my name down? Now I'm going to die.
I say this was a piece of cake, but the cake is a lie!
Haha, you thought you could kill me? Nah, you call yourself God. I'm the real robot God.
I thought I'd beat this hunk of junk. Oh well, I know how to beat it. I'll take this potato computer chip and eat it!
No!
What a refreshing snack. May I have some? I'm sure hungry after this game.
Someone say Hunger Games. I'm President Snow, better than Jon Snow. You should know that my raps are pure fire, though. I District 12 times and send you back to Japan. He'll have to call Peter when I volunteer to lead this animal band from Panam. I don't mean to brand, but my raps are hard as steel. Sponsoring by Singing Like Sugar Jackers, I am on fire, so get real. Yagami, stop Yagami, you'll never match my fame. Call this rap the Hunger Games, because you just stop.
Rap's a corner than the copia. You'll never beat light. This Minecraft mini game's nothing but a sorry rip-off of Fortnite. Old with a white beard, looking like Rutherford B. Hayes. It's a shame you couldn't get of your people to behave. I'm jump forcing you to win, like the game that I'm seeing in. I'm assassinating you harder than Katniss Everdeen. Ripping through your Coriolanus. I hunger for a real challenge. So here's a riddle. Will you die from bleeding out or getting trampled?
What? I'm the president. You can't do this.
Well. Do I smell a riddle? Then make way for riddle extraordinaire, the Riddler. The answer's getting trampled just like your Netflix special. I'm Edward Man, and I've been carrying this track forever. Riddle me this. Why do you kill all of those criminals? Who cares if you're God if I don't believe in your God? Your characters stink. I've seen better Misas out of Jar Jar Binks. I play you like a fiddle when it's time to tell a riddle. Cause I fry you like a griddle while you maniacally giggle.
That's all? No wonder you keep getting beat by a bat, y'all. Like the time you got a tumor, I'm spitting sick. Riddle me this, you can't even spit a riddle diss. I've got more rhymes than you have question marks on your costume. Like when the Joker beats you up, it's clear you've been duped.
Right, how do you think you call this one, you radical?
I'll kill him with a tumor in less than 5 seconds.
Bro, I thought we were rapping. Please don't kill me, that's not cool. Come on, man, that's clearly against the rule.
Rouxls, hath thine just said, Rouxls, hit it!
My flow's so wet, this skirmish should have banned it. Name is Rouxls Kaard. God damn it!
Fuck that shit! Kevin McCallister, I caliber one of his business cards. Yeah, you're one of the minds that should have because of the missing text. Yeah, there's a reason my last sentence is I've been being looking a little bit like a theory mark. Yeah, Break Athlete Rats within his Japanese voice actor, radio killing ninja. Blood this is McCallister. Hit you with a break and fire on my trap. Just hit the L, I need to shout your trap.
Kevin McCallister, I'm a huge fan. It'd mean a lot to me if I could have your autograph.
You're not the first criminal. Would you like to tell it rather ever get trophy hands at my hotel? You see, I know that's a death note, and the name's written will die, so that's why I'm gonna back to make you cry. Every youth's gonna write your name. Looks like this world will finally be saved. This is a rap because my bars are gifts. And it's gonna cause another name of the naughty list. So take your god complex somewhere else. Kid, I'll be celebrating the real Lord David's birthday. Merry Christmas!
And happy Halloween!
Shut the hell up, bitch!
Who grew up the audience? Whose time is coming next? It's in your hands. Mind-blowing verbal conflicts of